morning students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. I hope you have seen the video I have sent you yesterday and of the reading and explanation of chapter The Four Magicians. Now today I am sending you video on comprehension. Okay. So let us discuss on the comprehension book exercises. Page 79. Okay. So first question is true and false. So I am reading the sentence and telling you the answer. After their parents died, the four brothers were taken care by their uncles. True. The brother decided to learn magic because they were interested in learning magic. Yes. False. The lion ate all the brothers at one go. True. The moral of the story is that knowledge is more important than common sense. Then it is false. The four brothers knew that the bones that were lying scattered belonged to a lion. False. The Betal could not go back to his tree because Vikramaditya gave the incorrect answer. So it is false. Now in A2 question, half sentence they have given, half we have to write on our own. So first, the children had to go to live with their maternal grandfather because their greedy relatives made them penniless. To deal with the problem that they were facing at their uncle's house, they decided to learn some skills to earn money. Now third, the first brother returned with the knowledge of covering bare bones of animals with flesh. The second brother learned how to add skin and hair of that animal. The third brother could know how to create the limbs of the animals. Now fourth brother was skilled in putting life into it. Seventh, the brothers collected the bones of animals to prove their skills. Eighth, the brother have been called foolish because they had given life to a ferocious beast. They have given life to a ferocious beast, means dangerous animal. They know it is dangerous. Then also they are putting life into it and they spoil their life. Okay, now turn your pages. On page 80, question answers are given. We have already discussed in online classes. I am giving you the pic of this question answers tomorrow. Now match the column. Question answers in word meaning and frame sentences I will send you through pic. Now we will discuss question number B1. It is matching and it is matching with their opposites. So first is discover. So answer is conceal. Second, scattered, gathered. Present, past. Plant, unplant. Clothed, undressed. Added, removed. Mutter. What is that? Mutter means softly spoken. So answer is shout. Eighth, display, hide. Okay? Now on the basis of this, we are solving other exercises also. Now in B2, we have to replace the word of red color to the options given in the box. So first I am telling you, both Krishna Swami and his wife passed away. So passed away is in red color. So you have to choose the proper word for that from the green box given. Options are given in the green box. So what is the option? Now I will speak the red color words and corrected one. I will not read the whole sentence. Okay. So first is passed away. So correct option for passed away is died. Second is penniless. So the option is without money. Van means lesson. Kam karna. Fourth is hard. So that is tiring. Fifth is pathetic situation. Nowadays we are facing pathetic situation, means sad situation. Now come to page number 81. Now the word is acquired. So for that we replace with gained. The meaning, the words are of synonyms. Master, to learn. Okay. Now B3, it is the spell check. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct spelling. And that after writing the blanks, you have to write full spellings. That also you can do through PIC because it is a spell check exercise. Now, one question is grammar part is explained to you. Verb with preposition or adverb. Some verb is there, but we are using them as adverb or preposition. So one word they have given example. Passed. So passed away, passed by, pass around, pass over, pass off, pass on. So these words have different meaning. They have given you the meanings. Now according to the meaning of these words, we have to do the fill in the blanks of page number 81. So first is pass around. It means to give something to a group. Pass out, faint. Pass over, ignore. Pass by or pass through means to go through. Then pass off as means pretend karna. Then last is pass on. We say na pass on these things or like that. So the meanings you know. Now we have to do the fill-ups. First is Harry wears the shirts which have been passed on. He got the shirt through pass on to him by his brother. Now come to page number 82. The teacher passed over Rahul and gave the prize to Geeta. Third, the room was so stuffy that Sheila passed out. The lady passed around the photograph among the people sitting in the lounge. Fifth, the little boy wore a yellow dress to pass off as a banana at the fancy dress competition in school. Sixth, we pass by the town of Mathura when we are going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Many people pass over the injured man on the road without trying to help him. Pass over, they ignored that accident and passed away. The police caught a thief trying to pass over as a lawyer. Vivek, pass on the sword, said Sarla. Sandeep, pass out as soon as he saw the bleeding deer. So on the basis of this meaning of these words, we have done the fill in the blanks. Now again, past continuous tense. This you already know through grammar. When we learned the tense, past tense, we have taught you past continuous tense. Means action is already started in the past and is still going on. And in this tense, we mention the time when it started. So time we have mentioned. Like for example, Shaila was writing her answer when the bell rang. So action was already started in the past and the time limit also it was shown. So on the basis of this past continuous tense, so we are going to solve the exercises. C1, page number 83. Now in this already past tense is written wrote. You have to convert into past continuous as was writing. So structure क्या हुआ? Subject, was, were plus ing form of that verb and whole sentence remaining. So जैसे wrote they have given. अब wrote का क्या करना है आपको? Was और were लगाना. सिंगल होगा तो was, प्लूरल होगा तो were. वो लगा के प्लस आपको उसका ing फॉर्म करना है. तो wrote का क्या होगा? Was writing. पास्ट टेंस को आपको पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में पहले चेंज करना है और फिर उसका सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग भी करना है. सो वन रोड का दे हैव डन. सेकेंड टॉक्ड. सो टॉक्ड क्या होगा? आप वॉज लगा के भी फ्रेम कर सकते हैं और वेयर लगा के भी कर सकते हैं. बट वाइल फ्रेमिंग द सेंटेंस यू हैव टू सी कि अगर आपने वॉज लगाया है तो सिंगल के लिए सेंटेंस बनाएंगे और वेयर लगाया है तो वेयर के अकॉर्डिंग आप सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग करेंगे. सो आई हैव डन फॉर यू. You can do on your own also. So talk का was talking किया मैंने, पहले इसको convert किया. Then I have framed the sentence. My father was talking to someone at 9 o'clock. आपको या तो टाइम मेंशन करना है या yesterday या कुछ तो भी टाइम की हिंट आपको देना कंपल्सरी. Walked, was walking. अब मैंने was लगाया तो I will frame sentence according to single number. Rahul was walking in the garden when the rain began. Milked. मिल्क नाउन होता है बट हमने यहाँ पर इसको यूज कर रहे हैं एज अ वर्ब. वॉज मिल्किंग. आई वॉज मिल्किंग काउ व्हेन द पावर वेंट ऑफ. रेन. इसका क्या होगा? वॉज रनिंग. पहले पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में इसको चेंज करो देन फ्रेम सेंटेंस. आई वॉज रनिंग व्हेन शी कॉल्ड मी. स्लेप्ट. तो पहले पास्ट टेंस इसको पास्ट कंटिन्यूस करो. वॉज और वेयर लगाओ. एनीथिंग यू कैन चूज एंड बट सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग शुड भी. अगर आपने वेयर किया है तो वेयर के अकॉर्डिंग यूज होना चाहिए. वॉज है तो वॉज के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. सपोज मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. आपने वॉज रनिंग लिखा तो आई वॉज रनिंग व्हेन शी कॉल्ड मी. अगर मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं वेयर लगा के सेंटेंस बनाऊँ तो वेयर रनिंग कर दो. नाउ वेयर यू नो यू और दे के साथ लगता है या वी. सो वी वेयर रनिंग ऐसा करके. सो आपको वॉज और वेयर का पे अटेंशन. Drank, was drinking. He was drinking milk at 8 o'clock last night. So time should be mentioned there. Washed, was washing. She was washing hands when the bell rang. Drew. Drew is the past tense of draw. So draw, drew, drawn. So आप उसको ing लगाओ. Was drawing. The girl was drawing a fish yesterday. Now bought. It is the past tense of buy. So I wrote where. In the sentence I wrote where buying. So I have framed the sentences according to the was and where. Now here I used where. So now I framed they were. Okay, not he or she were. He where होगा तो wrong हो जाएगा. They were buying vegetables when we called them. Okay. Now C2 you can cross. That is not important. Come to C3. So here option is given. You have to choose the correct option for the fill in the blanks. India won freedom from the British in 1947. The street was burning like a furnace before it rained. It is based on past and past continuous. Mixed. Sarita was watering the plants. If time is mentioned, then past continuous. If no time is mentioned, then you can use past tense. See, इसमें time लिखा है कि before it rained. So I have used past continuous. In first sentence, no time was there. So I wrote India won freedom. Now, fourth, when the engine caught fire, the pilot was jumping out of the plane. जब इंजन जल रहा था मतलब इट वॉज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट और एक्शन क्या हो रहा है इन द प्रेजेंट. न्यूटन वॉज नॉट रीडिंग अ बुक when an apple fell on its head. So on the basis of past and past continuous we have done the fill in the blanks. Okay, now on the basis of this you can change the sentence into question form also. For that was or where you have to shift in front. So C4 is the exercises based on this. The girls were dancing. Now you have to change into question form. Were the girls dancing? Was the boy climbing a tree? Was the Indian mother cooking dinner when the doorbell rang? 3 I have done and written in the book. I will send you pic. 4, 5, 6 you have to do as homework. Frame questions on your own so that you can learn yourself also. ठीक है. I hope I am cleared with book exercises and wait for notebook work. I will send you in 1 or 2 days. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.